Jason, after already having the little sneak preview at that 7-day forecast, it looks like maybe this was the last weekend for ice fishing derbies, getting on, ice because it's going to get warm.
Yeah, well, first I'll say you and Hannah Yashiv have been hanging out because she got a little sneak preview of the 7-day. Now, she did it before the 6, I think. You at least saw the 6, but let's get into it. This is, really unofficially going to be the end of winter. I hate to say that in February. And I'm not trying to cancel winter, but like Sam just said, ice fishing, outdoor events, after this week, and you see the snow off to the west here, this is going to really fall apart, not make too much progress. There will be some snow for the morning rush hour, but not as cold tonight. Showers are out of here in the morning, snow showers. And then a spring preview, run for 50 once, twice, 3 times, and even a run for 60 for the weekend coming up. Before that, we've got rain, wind, snow melt. So Sam was talking about, winter problems there. Ice movement down the rivers, then a flash freeze on Thursday. Let's break it down. There's so much going on here. Simplify it. Right now, there's a wind southwest. So that's going to keep things chilly just because the breeze is kicking up. So temperatures here are not terribly cold in Eastport at 26 or Wesley at 18, but it's the kind of the wind that's making it feel cooler. So I showed you the wind chills top of the show. That's going to continue tonight. Heat will be cranking. Snow knocking on the door out towards Canada. Eventually will kind of break apart as it gets here on the hour by hour. You see it here. Those are the snow bands tonight. Now, I expect south of northern Maine for this to not be a big deal, but there's a stripe that comes through, rush hour commute. I don't think temperatures are cold enough for this to be a super icy, tricky kind of a commute. But a few in the back roads, I could see that. And then northern Maine, now here's the problem. Temperatures are running above freezing. So if you're trying to get anything in the way of snow squall, it's going to be tough. But I could see some isolated snow squall issues. And then I want to fast forward here to February 28th. So as we get later into Tuesday and Wednesday, look at what happens. South wind, 40s, and that's going to mean things warm up dramatically to 50s on Wednesday, all day washout, and then the cold front comes through with temperatures dropping dramatically as we get later into Wednesday and Thursday, which is going to mean down to single digits and even sub-zero for the wind chills. Rainfall, not snowfall, is going to be 1/2 to 1.5 inches. Plus, you got the wind south going northwest. So just an incredibly crazy 24 to 36 hours that's going to happen from Wednesday to Thursday. And just buckle up for that. Small craft, that's up from Sunday into Monday. And then the forecast is just playing it out. Here's what Sam was talking about. Sneak preview, 40s, 50s, crashing down to single digits at night. And then look at the weekend. This is the first weekend of March coming up where I'm going to conservatively, keyword there, put 50, meaning we could easily see 55, we could see 60, or just closer to 50. It really is going to depend on what happens with this storm that's going to rip through on Wednesday and Thursday.
Yeah, and Jason, while we're all looking forward to some sunshine, some of us looking forward to warmer temperatures, as you pointed out, still some ice concerns, so just keep that in mind when you're out and about traveling this week.
Yeah, I'm not an ice fisherman, but it's all about measuring as you go, from what I understand.
Yep, absolutely. All right, Jason, thank you.